first, to install your mud flap on the rear, you have to take out the factory bolts here, here, and here. Make sure that you keep them aside because you're going to be reusing them for the install. So to install, you take those out. You're going to go ahead and just put them back into the aligned holes. And you'll be provided with a self-tapping number 8 screw, which you'll put through this hole, which will make its own hole into the fender liner inside. It may be a tight spot, like on this vehicle, it has big tires and it's lifted. So you may have to remove the wheel or possibly lift the truck up in order to get this in. Once you have all these in place, you can go ahead and start tightening everything down. So for the inside one, you'll need a screwdriver. For these, you can choose to use a screwdriver. I'm going to choose to use a ratchet wrench. Now when you tighten these down, try not to over tighten them because you may notice some bulging, indentation from them, but they still stay rather firm. And that's it for the back ones. Okay, so now we're going to install the front mud flaps. The front mud flaps will require you to also remove the 2 factory bolts that come in here. You'll also be provided with a self-tapper for the fronts as well. So after you remove the 2 factory bolts, you're going to go ahead and line them 2 up with the holes in the mud flap. Get them started. You don't tighten anything down yet. Now that they're started, you're going to take the self-tapper, and just like the rears, you may have to turn the wheel or remove the tire or lift the truck, and then you should use a short screwdriver, or if you can move everything out of the way. And you're going to use the self-tapper, which will put a hole into the fender liner for you. No drilling is needed. So once you have this screw in and these 2 on, you can go ahead and tighten these down. Again, they're 10 millimeter. Just double check everything. And your front mud flaps are ready to go. Thank you for watching our video on installing mud flaps on a 2017 Tacoma. Please visit our website at tnmudflaps.com and check out our Facebook page at TNMF Mudflaps. Thank you and have a great day.